Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a product that many of you might find useful for organizing your documents and keeping them safe. We discovered the HERKKA 200 pack clear plastic sheet protectors and thought it was worth sharing with you. You can find the link in the description below to check for the latest price and availability. Now, let's talk about what this product is all about. The HERKKA clear plastic sheet protectors are designed for those who need reliable and high-quality protection for their important papers. This pack comes with 200 sheet protectors, each made from premium polypropylene. They're acid-free and archival safe, meaning they won't lift or smear ink from your documents or photos. This is particularly important if you're storing items for the long term, ensuring that your files remain in pristine condition. One of the standout features of these sheet protectors is their reinforced design. The added reinforcement strip increases durability, so you can trust that your documents will be well protected against wear and tear. The wide top-loading design makes it incredibly easy to slide papers in and out, which means you won't be struggling to keep your paperwork organized. The protectors come with 11 pre-punched holes, making them compatible with most standard 3-ring binders, folders, and other office products. Transparency is another key feature of the HERKKA sheet protectors. With their high transparency, you can view your documents clearly without any obstruction. Additionally, the slightly textured surface helps reduce glare, making it easier on the eyes when you're reading or reviewing important information. This thoughtful design ensures that the contents are easy to read and that you won't have to deal with ink transfer issues. So, who is this product suitable for? Pretty much anyone who deals with paper documents. Whether you're a student looking to keep your assignments and notes organized, a teacher needing to manage lesson plans and handouts, or an office worker who wants to protect important reports and presentations, these sheet protectors are an excellent choice. They are also perfect for preserving photos, recipes, certificates, and reference materials. In terms of practical use cases, these sheet protectors can be used in various settings. If you're a student, you can use them to organize your class notes in a binder. If you're a teacher, they're great for keeping handouts tidy and easy to access. For home cooks, they can safely store your favorite recipes, while professionals can use them to protect essential documents and presentations. The versatility of these protectors makes them suitable for any situation where you need to keep papers safe and organized. In summary, the HERKKA 200 pack clear plastic sheet protectors are a fantastic solution for anyone looking to protect and organize their documents. With their premium quality, convenient design, high transparency, and strong durability, they are well worth considering for your filing needs. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.